Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect an S Pen to the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. First, let's get straight to the point. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus does not support the Samsung S Pen. This tablet does not have the special screen technology called a digitizer that is required for the S Pen to work. Because of this, you cannot connect, pair, or use an S Pen with this device. Features like pressure sensitivity, palm rejection, and air actions will not function on this tablet. If you were expecting to go into settings and pair the S Pen, that option will not be available. There is no Bluetooth pairing, no charging process, and no setup steps for the S Pen on this device. Now, let's talk about the alternative. If you still want to use a pen-like tool on your tablet, you can use a universal capacitive stylus. This type of stylus works on almost all touchscreens, including the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. To use a capacitive stylus, simply touch it to the screen, just like you would with your finger. There is no setup required. You do not need to connect it in settings or pair it in any way. It works instantly. However, keep in mind that a capacitive stylus is very basic. It does not support pressure sensitivity, which means drawing and writing will feel the same no matter how hard you press. It also does not support palm rejection, so you may need to be careful where you rest your hand while using it. This is the best available option for this tablet. Thanks for watching.